Awakening your inner champion. Every day you wake up, you have a choice. You can choose mediocrity or choose to strive for greatness. Remember, the only person who can truly hold you back is you. Your inner champion is waiting, yearning to break free. Every step you take forward, every hurdle you overcome brings you closer to your dreams. Don't let fear hold you back. Trials and hardships are not obstacles. They are the opportunities. They are chances to become stronger, wiser, and better. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Seize the day, seize the minute, seize the second. Now is your moment. Believe in yourself, in your dreams, and in your power to achieve them. The belief is the foundation of success. Let this be the day you awaken your inner champion, embrace the journey, and become who you are meant to be.